How's it going, subscribers? Today we're going to be talking about the company and the stock GoPro, GPRO. So GoPro, we can see that in the short term it has been declining in the past day at a minus 0.74%. When we look at the 1 week, it's actually been slightly going up. We look at the month and the 3 months, they're both going up. The 1 month is up.
Have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. NBA Finals. And all that was before lunch.
I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
9%, the 3 months up close to 38%. And we got the 1 year. The 1 year is up 27%. So actually, GoPro seems to be on an upwards trend at the moment. But every time the market dips, that it makes GoPro also fall pretty hard. So what does GoPro got going for us? So for right off the back, we could see that it's expecting the PE ratio to be in the positive range, but as of right now, the earnings per share is in the negative and the PE ratio is also in the negative. So right now, personally, I'm not interested in this company at the moment. The outflow is also looking kind of heavy. And then we got the news. We see that GoPro is going with a risky business model with no questions asked damage camera replacement. So essentially they're going to be replacing cameras that are that get damaged. So we should see if this improves their business model, if this is going to attract more people to buy their stuff. So when we look at the price, we can see the price is slightly above the average. We can see we're looking at the KDJ death cross and also the RSI death cross. So what that tells us is the stock actually might be heading lower from here. Now, when we look at the support and resistance analysis, we can see that this stock could go anywhere. Right now, it's pretty risky. It could either fall or it could go higher. So that's what we're looking at with GoPro. Now, when we look at the financial forecast, we can see that the revenue is looking poor, and also the earnings per share headed towards the positive range. So that's good news. We got the balance per share. It's been quite stable. The net asset value in downward trend, net debt downward trend. We got the cash flow. The cash flow, when the CPS is also toward, like, it's kind of in a downwards trend, but it's been picking up slowly. We got the capital expenditure in a downward trend, and we have the return on assets in a downward trend, and return on equity that seems to be making a comeback. So when we look at the net income and the financial statements, we can see that GoPro is actually in the negative range, but in the quarter 4 of 2018, it's managed to turn a profit. Now, when you look at the balance sheet, we can see that GoPro has slightly high liabilities. We look at the operating headed towards the positive range. We got the investing slowly going towards the negative range, and we got the financing that's quite stable. So there you guys have it. And with GoPro, we know what GoPro has to offer. GoPro is a technology company with their GoPro cameras that goes on your head, and a lot for sports, so you could record it. The company is located in San Mateo, California, and GoPro produces cameras and mountable and wearable accessories. The company's product offerings include Hero 5, which is a line of cloud-connected cameras featuring image stabilization, telemetry, cloud connectivity, and voice control. GoPro Plus, which is a cloud-based storage solution that enables subscribers to access, edit, and share content. Quick, which is mobile editing application that creates edits on a smartphone. Quick is actually an awesome app, guys. Capture, which is a mobile application that allows users to preview and playback shots, control their GoPro cameras, and share content on the fly using their smartphones. Karma, which is a compact and foldable drone and versatile stabilization solution that includes the Karma controller and camera stabilizer, and it all fits in custom backpack. And Karma Grip, which is handheld, body mountable camera stabilizer. It also offers a full ecosystem, mountable wearable, and voice activated accessories. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think of GoPro. Said, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful, by billionaire Warren Buffett. And essentially what this means is when traders are greedy, they'll keep on buying and driving the price up and thinking that it's going to keep on going up and up and up. But eventually what ends up happening is the stock ends up tumbling back down to earth from the moon because of greed. And people, that's how people lose a lot of money. And when Warren Buffett says be greedy when others are fearful, what he means is that when others are fearful because the stock plummets and everyone starts selling their stocks at a discount, that's the time you want to start buying companies. That's the right time to buy. But usually people start selling. People call it a crash, and that word crash scares people. Really? Let's change the definition. Instead of crash, let's call it a discount. That's essentially what it is. A discount. That's really what it's all about. So as we can see, the Fear and Greed Index by CNN, what emotion is driving the market right now? What emotion? Right now, the greed is driving the market right now. And the reason for that is, as we can see, the McKellen volume